Mainit na naman si Poy Eram at this time kasama ang kanyang coach. Kahupis, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, isang like at isang subscribe ay masaya na tayo dyan. So ayun na nga. TNT lost Game 5 against Ginebra, which means Gin Kings is a win away from another championship. Pero kahupis, let's talk about Poy Eram. He is considered one of the bad boys now sa PBA after a history of a bad behavior while playing ball sa kanyang mahabang karera. He was drafted 15 overall by TNT kahit na may MCL injury ito, but was left unprotected kaya naman nasama ito sa 2014 expansion draft at pinili ng Blackwater Elite. Noong mga panahon na yon, Coach Leo Isaac and Bong Ramos gave the big man a chance to develop his offensive skills at dito na tuluyan nag-improve ang laro ni Poy Eram. However, sabi nga nila, kapag umaangat ang laro mo ay tumataas ang level ng emotion. This is a glimpse of Poy Eram's attitude against officials. Sa isang game sa 2018 Commissioner's Cup between Blackwater and Phoenix, he had a verbal altercation sa isang ref at kung pagbabasihan natin ang action niya ay nirereklamo niya ang non-call against a Phoenix defender. Fast forward tayo, noong 2018 ay na-trade siya sa NLEX Road Warriors. That Governor's Cup Conference was one of his best dahil tinulungan niyang maging number 1 ang Road Warriors. However, entering the playoffs, they were matched up against the Northport Batang Pier. And then this incident happened in Game 1. Obviously, he got ejected after a confrontation with Northport import Michael Qualls. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali ay twice to beat sila noong mga panahon na ito. At dahil nanuntok si Poy, automatic suspension nito. At ayun na nga, eliminated sila sa playoffs. Kahupis, another incident transpired against SMB noong Game 7 ng 2022 Philippine Cup. And at the 52nd mark ng second quarter ay allegedly hinampas ni Poy. Hindi lang sa bola kundi sa ulo si Motaw Tua, got ejected, and ultimately isa sa naging dahilan bakit natalo ang TNT noong kampyonato na yon. He was even called out by Jojo Lastimosa noong Game 1 naman ng 2023 Governor's Cup Finals against Ginebra. Natalo sila ng Game 1 but fortunately they were able to recover at tinalo ang Gins at nakupo ang championship. Akala natin okay na ang attitude ni Poy. Kasi when you look at him, hindi mo akalain na he will have this kind of a behavior. But just this conference, he had 2 incidents all in the playoffs. Una was against ROS nung Game 3 ng kanilang semis. Nagreklamo siya about sa isang possession kung saan hinawakan ng kamay niya ng isang ROS defender. At dahil dyan, he lost his cool and complained to the refs. Obviously, he received a tech. Hindi natapos ang kanyang pagko-complain kaya naman kinausap na siya ng teammate na si Glenn Cubuntin. Pero minasama niya to. Dahil doon, nagkaroon sila ng verbal tussle but cooler heads prevail and TNT goes on to win that series. Then ito namang sa Game 5, to be particular. Coach Chot Reyes and JP Eram had their own moment. Kaagahan ng third quarter ay nagkaroon ng 6-0 run ng Ginebra. Kung kaya napatimeout si Coach Reyes, nagkaroon sila ng sagutan ng tinapon ni Poy ang kanyang towel and immediately naging animated naman si Coach Chot at muntik nang mag-walk out. Kapwa niya ng mga teammates ang nagpakalma kay Poy and even the coaching staff. Kahupis, I know this is a very emotional series pero every time Poy gets into this kind of a behavior sa kalagitnaan ng laro, natatalo sila. Buti na lang may mas mahabang break ang bawat team to straighten out their mistakes, lalo na si Poy Eram. At may pagkakataon pa sila na makabalik sa serye at may tabla to for Game 7. Pero kung magpapatuloy pa ito, goodbye Game 7 na and the championship goes to Ginebra.